welcome back to my channel. It has been a little while. Your girl has been super busy, but first and foremost, even though I was gone, we hit a milestone. I now have 10,000 followers, so thank you. That's all to you. And while we're on the topic, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Also hit the notification button that I still don't know where it is, but whatever. Moving right along, what's been going on with me. If you don't know by now, I got engaged. There she is. Information about that will be coming. Because I've been kind of, I don't want to say secretive, but you know, my love life. Now that I'm engaged, I'm sharing a little bit more, but I kept some stuff for myself. So there'll be a fiance video. You'll get to know him. Some of you have already gotten to know him, but we'll have a little bit more of a deeper conversation. Also, I launched my foundation. We launched in November of 2017, but we didn't really become active in terms of like planning and stuff until 2018. So I had my first fundraiser, which was amazing. We had a goal of $5,000. We raised $20,000. So we were initially planning to send 5 girls to high school nationals next year, but we're now going to be able to send 10. That I'm so excited about, and just growing the foundation and our initiatives moving forward. If you want more information about the foundation, how you can get involved, how you can donate, how maybe you can even partner with us, bring tea time to a city near you, check us out at www.nhfcares.org. Also, you know, I have my lash business. I've been running that and trying to, you know, learn that business, learn marketing, production, all this other stuff. So if you want to shop my lashes, we have 6 lash styles that are inspired by moi. It's the 400 Meter Diva collection. They're available on my website, natashahastings.com. What else do we have going on? I'm still rehabbing my knee. Kind of disappointed with the progress of the rehab with my knee. I was definitely hoping to be a little further along the process, although my doctor and my physical therapist say that I'm actually right on pace and right on track to kind of give you guys a little bit of where I am. You should have already watched the video of me going out to Colorado Springs where I did adipose transfer as well as another round of PRP. We did that back in July. I was told that it would be sort of a roller coaster, meaning some days would be great, other days I would experience some pain. And they told me that even before going back into training, I wouldn't be 100% pain-free, but I should be better. So, I mean, as I said, some days are great, other days not so much. I would like to feel a lot less pain than I'm actually feeling, but yeah, so I'm continuing that. I'm hoping to be back on the track no more than a month from now, honestly, but I'm continuing to, you know, get in the gym a couple times a week, ride my elliptical. I have been cleared for that kind of activity. I just haven't been cleared for impact. That's where that is. Otherwise, I think that's about it. I've been enjoying my new home, decorating my new home. I'd have to film that house to home series and get that going for you guys. I know that I've been MIA for a while, so I just wanted to stop through, give you guys some updates on what's going on with me, let you know that I haven't forgot about you. I appreciate all of the love and support, all of the messages, you know, asking when my next race is or how's training going. That's what's going on with training, but be on the lookout for more content coming. I'm definitely working on some things. Now that I'm a little bit more settled, I can get back to work. I went and got a new tripod too. That was another problem. We should be back into the swing of things. In the meantime, actually, go ahead and leave your comments down below of what type of videos you want to see. Of course, with me not being back in training, the training videos will probably be minimal, although I can probably film more of my core routine and kind of the stationary things that I do, which, I mean, I'm pretty stationary as it is besides riding the elliptical. So we can do some workout stuff, we can do some house stuff. Let me know if there's any hair and beauty stuff that you want to talk about. We're kicking tea time back off. I have a few people on the list that I'm gonna get back onto tea time, but yeah, that's that. Just wanted to let you guys know I'm still alive, I'm still here. I appreciate you for sticking around, and there is more to come, so I'll see you guys soon.